Hello, welcome back kids. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a beautiful and unique technique of filling colors in a Lord Buddha. So for that, what I had just picked a canvas board and draw a sketch of a Lord Buddha. So now what you can do, you can even take the pre-marked canvases, or you can even draw a sketch like me. And now I'm going to do the highlighting with a black marker, and then I will show you how to color the Buddha image. So for that, first I will do the outline. Like this, and going very slowly. Now coming towards the face. So kids, here I had outlined the sketch, and now what I'm going to do, I had taken a coffee powder and mix it with water in a bowl, and now I'm going to do a coffee painting on this. So first, with the help of a brush, I'm very slowly going to fill the Buddha with the coffee water, and then slowly we give the shade. So first fill the Buddha, the complete Buddha, with the coffee water like this, going very slowly. This way you have to fill the entire sketch. Okay, so like this. Cover the artwork with the coffee water, and this will give the effect of a little brown and a mixture of yellow. So this way, very slowly. So same with this side also. And remember, the consistency of the water should not be like very flowy. So this way I had filled in the head portion, and now I will let it to dry. So once it's got dry, then we give the another layering with the same coffee water. So this way you can add many layers and give the shading effect. So first let it get dry. Now coming towards the ears, the same way I'm going to fill the whole body. So here I had done the first coat. Now it's time to add the second coat, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix my coffee water very nicely, and now give the second coat on the edges to give the shading effect. Okay, I'm not going to fill completely this time, just going to give a little shade. So this way, you're not supposed to fill it complete. Just go very slowly and giving the second coat like this. Okay. Similarly here. And blend it nicely. Now here you can use your hand or a tissue also. So like this. Once the color blend easily, then you can stop doing this. Till then you have to do, so that the face textures look smooth. like this, going very slowly. And here now with the help of hand I'm going to do it like this. Now can you see the texture? So this is the shading effect. Now a little darker in the inside of the ear, and same way here. Now here I will leave like this only, so that the effect will be visible. And then similarly in this ear also, and also in the hat portion. So this way you have to just leave the water like this only. So once this will get dry, you will get a nice shade. So here it's done. Now the next part is to give shade with the another color, and for that what I'm going to do, I will pick some red, some poster colors, or you can pick even acrylic colors. With the help of red, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give a little shade like this. You need not to fill entire, just give a little strokes, or very light like this. So here it's done. Now same way in this portion, very slowly. If you feel the color is little dark somewhere, just try to put a water on it so that it will blend easily. So here it's done. So this way I will fill in all the roses, and then we'll show you. Now after filling red, I had picked the green color and will cover the rose stem like this. So this way I will cover the rose stems, and careful, if the canvas is little wet, then try to fill colors very carefully. Okay, don't be in rush. I will cover all the stems. So it's done. Now the next step is to give shade in the dress, and for that I'm going to pick little orange. Kids, always remember that whenever you pick a new color, you have to clean your brush very carefully, otherwise your artwork will get ruined. So this way, slowly, very slowly, just a little shade. You need not to fill. If you feel the color is little darker, you can put little watery. The next step is to give design in the hairs. So for that, what I'm going to do now, with the help of a marker or a paint, whatever you want, you feel easy, you can pick. So here I'm picking my black marker again, and first check. Now it's dry, so I will start making a circles inside like this. Very slowly. You need to cover the entire hairs like this only. Don't make it so big. Try to make the circles of exactly same size. start from one end and complete towards the last. Now the another layer, like this you have to fill the whole part. So here, now I had filled the circles in this shade. Now same in this shape also. So you have to be careful and just fill the entire shape with these kind of circles to give the Buddha hair effect. So this way I will fill in the entire circle. So here our Lord Buddha image is all ready. I hope kids you had enjoyed coloring with me and hope to see you soon in the next video. Till then, keep creating, see you in the next video. Bye bye.